start today's video by saying this out loud that acne scars are very common. Almost everybody gets it. Those people who don't get it, even I'm really jealous of them, because when I was a teenager I had a really bad case of acne. Of course, over the years things have improved drastically because I have learned more about skincare and how to deal with things like that, and that's a conversation for another time. I have actually talked about acne and acne prevention in my previous videos, so I'll put the link in the description box below. But today what we are talking about is acne scars. Now here's what we need to understand while talking about acne scars is that number one, trust your body's natural healing mechanism. Yes, we have a lot of options these days, including laser treatments that a lot of people eventually do opt for. But before you go for something like that, let's try and see what are the different things that you can do to deal with your acne scars. Now, today I'll be sharing with you some things that really worked for me, and of course some new things that I have learned along the way. One of the things that I feel is most important, and that is, like I just said, trust your body's natural healing mechanism. Let your skin breathe. Let your skin be free. So even if you have a lot of acne marks, even if you have a lot of acne scars, I understand it can be a little, you might want to hide it behind makeup and things like that, but try not to. And I think especially these days, it's even more easy because most of us, we're not really stepping out. So when you're at home, just follow a simple cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine. And very importantly, we need to understand this, guys. If you have dry skin especially, please do not let your skin be dry or dehydrated for that matter. When your skin is dry and dehydrated, your skin will not be able to heal and repair itself properly. So it's very important to keep your skin clean and also hydrated, also well moisturized. People with oily skin will be like, okay, I don't have that trouble, but make sure that your skin is still hydrated. You probably don't have to worry so much about moisturizing. So use a light moisturizer, but keep your skin well hydrated. So sheet masks are also a very good option for this. Hyaluronic acid is a very good option for this. And talking about skin cleansing, guys, have you explored chemical exfoliators yet? I cannot stress this enough. I have talked about chemical exfoliation, chemical peels. Now there are a lot of chemical peels also sold in the market these days that you can actually use at home. So try to opt for them, especially if you have used certain chemical exfoliators in form of toners or serums before. How do chemical exfoliators really help you? Yes, they clean out your skin, but what they do is they remove all the damaged, dead skin cells away. So once the damaged skin is gone, your body naturally produces fresh new skin. In simple terms, your body is producing new skin cells, and that obviously looks better and cleaner. So once the process keeps repeating itself, obviously your skin gets better with time and gradually the marks fade away. So again, as you see, it's all about your body's natural healing mechanism. Now, one of the things that really helped me when I was struggling with acne marks was also using vitamin E and coconut oil. So either you can go for those vitamin E capsules which are sold in the market, you just have to pierce them and apply the vitamin E oil. Coconut oil is very rich in vitamin E. It's also very good because it has antibacterial benefits. Only problem with coconut oil is that it can be pore clogging for a lot of people, and of course not for people with oily skin. But yes, vitamin E coconut oil in general is great for all kinds of scars, including acne scars. Another option that I would definitely want to recommend is vitamin B3 or niacinamide. A lot of us have heard about the benefits of using avocado, right? You might have even explored avocado in forms of different beauty products and stuff like that. So what really helps is that avocado contains vitamin B3 or niacin, like I just called it. Now there are various formulations available in the market these days. There is niacinamide serum, which I've talked about before. I'll put the link in the description box below. Even that one is a very good potent formula. Otherwise, you can actually explore this face wash. Now this is a 3% niacinamide foaming face wash, which is specifically designed for acne marks. So as you can see, it contains niacinamide, which obviously means that it helps in dealing with acne scars. It also helps in controlling sebum production on your skin, by the way. Large open pores, acne, and then of course, like you just saw here, it also contains glycolic acid as one of its active ingredients. Glycolic acid as one of its active ingredients. Now what does glycolic acid do? Glycolic acid is very good for improving cell turnover by improving collagen production in your skin. So all in all, this is a very good face wash because it does all this. It helps in not just improving your acne scar issues, but also the sebum production, thus dealing with acne and open pores and stuff like that. Now before you start using this product, do a patch test first, guys, because it's very safe. But if you're using a new ingredient, you should always do a patch test. Now using this is very simple. So just take one pump, massage this onto your wet skin in gentle upward circular motion, and then of course rinse thoroughly with water and pat dry. So this is ideally something which you can make a part of your regular skincare routine, using it twice a day, morning and evening. So I'll put the link in the description box below. It's from the brand The Derma Co. It's a brand designed by dermatologists. So obviously it's a very scientific, safe, effective brand, and I like the fact that it's a very clean, honest brand. You know, like right there on the product label itself, everything has been mentioned, 3% niacinamide. So you know how much niacinamide is there in this homing face wash. It has also mentioned everything very clearly. And the brand philosophy is live life without filters. So you don't have to hide behind filters or makeup to feel good or feel confident. You should be able to love the skin that you're born in. So anyways, I'll put the website link in the description box below. The brand is The Derma Co. It's available on various e-commerce websites, but if you buy directly from the Derma Co website itself, you can use this coupon code SWS20 for flat 20% off. Another thing that I have to recommend to you guys, and this is something which has personally helped me tremendously, not just with my acne scars, but overall in dealing with, or rather improving the quality and the overall look appearance of my skin, and that is using a sunscreen. I know this sounds like a major cliched line, but I understand, right? Personally, even I am still very lazy when it comes to applying sunscreen, and most of the days I'll be like, oh, I don't want to apply sunscreen. You know, you just want to avoid using a sunscreen if you can, but I force myself to, and this is what I would recommend to all of you. Even if when you don't feel like using a sunscreen, please do, because number one, you know, when you are using a sunscreen, you are basically protecting your skin's natural layers. And you know, if you are constantly causing sun damage, when does the skin really start to heal itself, right? First, if there's a lot of sun damage, the skin has to deal with the sun damage first and then move to the scars. So protect your skin from sun damage by using sunscreen. This is so important in a country like India. Apart from, of course, you know, helping in dealing with scars, sunscreen also helps in preventing premature skin aging. It's also important to, you know, wear a sunscreen if you don't want uneven skin tone. So yes, you all know the benefits of sunscreen. The point is, you need to start wearing a sunscreen no matter what. And here's a very quick home remedy which I used to use as a teenager, like a lot. That is, make an apple cider vinegar toner. So just take a little bit of water. To this, add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. So ideally the ratio can be 3:1. That is, water to apple cider vinegar is 3:1 ratio. And just use it as a regular toner whenever you want to use it. One thing I would recommend is that if you're using this toner, use it only when you know you'll not be stepping out in the sunlight for any time too soon. Okay, you can also start using vitamin C in your skincare routine. Another thing that you can definitely start doing is to start consuming collagen in your diet, or vitamin C also really helps. So what does collagen really do? See, when your body, especially for new scars, or if you think that your scar is just about to develop, collagen can help you tremendously, because how collagen works is, when your body is naturally trying to heal its wound and develop a new skin to close the wound, it needs collagen. So when your body has a lot of collagen, that wound will heal faster, the new skin will appear faster, and that will help in preventing and dealing with possible scars. So collagen is just something like, especially, you know, if you're someone who is constantly having acne problems, and you just know that, you know, it's just going to happen, I'm always going to keep having acne problems and open wounds, open acne, open scars. You can actually, not open scars, fresh scars, start including collagen in your regular diet. You can start consuming vitamin C, even that really helps. And last but not the least, I would definitely recommend going for microdermabrasion or micro needling. These are two very different concepts, by the way. Dermabrasion is more like using a sandpaper. I mean, of course, not using a sandpaper, it's more scientific than that, but just in raw terms, it's something like, you know, sanding your skin to kind of just clean off the, you know, upper layers, and to help your skin improve itself by producing new skin. And micro needling is basically puncturing very tiny holes onto your skin. So please don't try doing these at home. Go to a dermatologist, ask them how how the procedure goes, and get someone professional to do this for you. But yes, these things can definitely help in repairing your skin and bringing out fresh skin underneath, new skin underneath. Okay, so guys, these are some tips that I really want to share with you all today. Honestly, getting rid of scars is something which, I have to be honest with you, it takes time and patience. So whatever things I have shared with you all today, I would suggest that, like, there are some things which you can just start doing right away, right? For example, wearing sunscreen and keeping your skin hydrated. If you're not doing that already, you need to start doing that. Collagen, for instance. These are just basic habits. But keeping that aside, niacin, chemical exfoliators, start including them in your skincare routine as and when possible. And just make these things a part of your regular skincare routine, and just take care of your skin and let your skin be, guys. Don't wear too much makeup, don't use too many products on your skin, not required. So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you like this video, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Superstyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.